My peeps. Let's take a look really quick at what I'm talking about. When I say this car is filthy, okay? You have to see it to believe it. Oh, that looks kind of fun, right? Look at that little spider hole. Those are always fun to find. Now I'm going to show you what I've taken out of the car. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Really, really filthy.
Profanity. Right, I'm sorry.
Just dirty, 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 dirty. So, let's start cleaning it. Filthy and dusty and dirty. Exactly what I signed up for. Alright, here's a look at all the dirt that came out of there. Oh, there's a dead spider. There he is. Yeah. Good thing I wasn't breathing in. So what's next, you ask? Well, good thing you asked. Let's cut that bolt out. And cut that one out because they're stripped. As you can see, I tried to take these little guys out and they broke. So that's nothing new. That's kind of been the trend so far. Okay. Not the best feeling. Okay, we did it. We did it. And I might have damaged the paint just a little bit right there. But it's not going to show. So what's it matter? There we go. There's the finished product. Another shot of that finished product. Not too bad. Well, I've done it a few times now, so, you know, kind of professional. On to the next thing, which is going up under here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Yeah, you're not going to see it. I need to turn my light back on. Now there's 5 bolts under here, and man, they suck to get out. I've been dreading coming back to this fender. If only my muscles were bigger, and this would be easier. Okay, we're just gonna cut it out. We're just gonna cut it out. We're not gonna. We're just gonna cut it out. Oh, God. What? You're dead. Nope, not dead. Just hanging out. Some of you might be like, don't kill the poor but if he makes babies, that's going to be way worse. So, he's gone now. He won't bother us anymore. Oh, figured it out. This one's a son of a and that one is out. That one's going to be really tough. As you can see, there are some things in the way that I first have to remove. Whoop. That'll be how that comes out. Oh, look at that horizontal. Nice. All right, let's do this. Got some tools here. Oh, didn't knock it over. Professional. Put that, you see you put that little dude right there. That's the female. This one's the male. You just do that. Then you do it again because it's the dudes in the middle. Oh yeah, you definitely can't see what I'm doing. That's not gonna work, is it? It's alright, maybe I don't want to let you see it. Yeah, I'll let you see. That would help. Oh! Oh, what? Is it going to actually come out for me? You guys are witnessing history. This doesn't happen. This just doesn't happen. It's coming to me. It's coming. Oh my God. Oh! Oh! What? Okay, so now you're going to see more of the action because I switched the camera again. Here's a picture of me in case you forgot what I look like. Yeah. All right, let's do this again. No, I'm giving this one a chance. It might let me down, but I don't know. Oh, God, this light's hot. Oh, it's really hot. Oh, it's coming out. Oh, my God. Dude, this is just not the normal, okay? You would not believe what I had to do to get that other one out. It was just so painful. I mean, there. If I concentrate on the camera and the wrenching at the same time, I'll get it out and I'll get a good shot. Oh, my arm's burning. Back into the fray. Oh, well, what? I was almost done. Look at that. There's people walking by. You guys aren't gonna believe it, but this one's coming off too. Very easily. Look at those nicely manicured fingers. Oh, those are nice. Anyways. All right, let's see if it comes off. Oh! It does. That was so easy. Okay. Ooh, this panel's hot, man. Man, that light burns hot. So here's my radio. I got some sick ideas for that. It's gonna go all the way back that way. It's gonna be a long one that folds down back over there. This thing's gonna look more like a battle car, okay? Go to that subreddit and you'll have an idea of what I'm talking about. Our battle cars. See, man, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Just gone. Tin can. I have to rebuild all of it. Totally CAD designed the whole fucking thing. CAD the shit out of it. Computer aided, or wait, no, cardboard aided design is what it's gonna take. I don't use fucking computers in here. Just tools and phones, which are like mini computers. Give you the crotch. Look at that. There it is. There's the camera. All right, let's do this. We're just gonna slowly. Oh, that's not gonna work because it's on the wrong side. There we go. There it is. Oh, baby. Look at that. She's coming off. Shit's getting real. See, it's up there above that lip. It's above the lip. I don't even know if you can see it. No, you can't. But it's up there. How do I know? I've cut it out before. Oh, so deep in there. Okay. All right, I did it. That's all 4 body panels removed, people. And I'm going to tell you what, I did this one a lot better than I did the other one. The other one was a bit of a hack job, but this was a little bit cleaner because I kind of knew what I was doing. So here, you can kind of see right there. I'm not going to touch it because it's hot. Just right through it. Cut right through it. Really didn't damage. That's the other side on the body still. Really didn't damage the other metal very much. It's all pretty clean still. So now it's just a matter of going in and cleaning this stuff out, you know. So more to do, but I think I'm gonna just say that hey, I'm back. So if you guys want to see me do this again and you're okay with the very bad format and the less than professional production on this, then I would appreciate it if you smashed that subscribe and like button, and you also turned on the notifications. but it's not going to really break my heart if you don't, because I don't think anybody's even watching yet. So if you want to see me do this again and, you know, kill more spiders and, you know, eventually see me drive this thing someday, years from now, if you're dedicated to stick with me that long, then, you know, I would appreciate the interest and, you know, maybe liking it, and, you know, maybe we'll go big someday. So thanks, and see you guys later.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.